Welcome to a new fragrance review. Today I'm going to tell you what I think about Joseph Abboud. So, Joseph Abboud, since the last video that you've seen, I was able to try 3 of their discontinued fragrance. It's good because it gave me an idea of what it is now and what it used to be. And I need to tell you that I don't know what they did, but I think they kind of screwed up. It seems that they went into doing things that are more original, more like special, unique, but not like crazy, but still like doing their own thing, into just trying to figure out what's mainstream, what everyone likes nowadays. Takes like the top 10 fragrance and figure out how they can make their own version of these. Some of the new fragrance are good, especially good for what they are doing nowadays. If you look at the old fragrance, I would say their quality would be really good, would be really nice, would be more what you would expect of maybe Tom Ford, for example, or Moschino, those bigger brand. They're a bit more niche in a way, a bit more different. It's well exotic, that really get a big gathering around them, that people really love what they do, and I feel their quality went to doing things that you would expect from brands like English Laundry, for example, or I would say Diesel, but I would say maybe Diesel is a bit higher than Joseph Abboud nowadays. But like those lower tier brand, finally. It's sad because they had good product and they just wanted to do something like more mainstream, so they just downgraded everything they did. I get that they would want to do stuff like that. Any brand need to make stuff that is just there to smell good and make sales, but even good brands that are starting to do this. Like Dior, I think it's the best example. That changed the formulation for Dior Homme. They made Dior Sauvage. They really wanted to do the route of doing things super mainstream. I mean, you can still find Eau Sauvage that he did a long time ago. Maybe it got reformulated because of some reasons, but it's still there. You can still find Fahrenheit by Dior. They still sell their classic, their masterpiece that they made in the past. I think that would have been the good route to take from them. Like their good fragrance, they should have kept those, not scrap everything that's good to put lower tier stuff instead. So that's about it. I think nowadays what they do, if you have access to those fragrance, you think they smell nice, they're good fragrance, but they're good in the same way that a lot of fragrance are good, not necessarily amazing, but they're very safe, very inoffensive, and you feel they lack personality. But sometimes that's what you need, a fragrance that just isn't offensive and that won't scream everywhere. And they do a good job for that. I just wish they would maybe re-release some of their old stuff or make something that's actually unique and original to go along with what they already have now. Last thing, when I think of Joseph Abboud, I think more about the clothes. And if you're watching this video, probably you already know about their clothes and you just wanted them to know about the fragrance. But when I think about Joseph Abboud, I think about their suits, and especially their like custom made suit or sport jacket, stuff like that. I think about more like classic clothes, good quality clothes, and I feel their fragrance offering doesn't have anything to do with their clothes offering. I don't think any of their fragrance will be really suited to someone that wear a suit. I think it's weird for that kind of company to make those kind of fragrance. In a way, we all often see like high-end company that make cheap fragrance. You just think of Ferrari. I think that's a great example. Yeah, there are some gems, but they're discontinued. You just have like all those cheap stuff. You get $20 that smells super synthetic and like other fragrance. Mostly what they have now. I think a lot of like luxury brand that just want to be in perfumery. They don't have a clue what they're doing and they just like want to be in the game, but they don't know how to play. So they end up like a lot of those companies that just do this, do bad stuff. And I think this is what Joseph Abboud is doing right now with this fragrance. Hopefully it will change over time, but I doubt. I doubt it. I think Joseph Abboud really want to go toward the casual route for some reason. I see more and more casual clothes from them. and I think it will go this way for fragrance also. I don't think it will get better. So hope you enjoyed the video. If it's the case, well, like and share. If you have different thought about Joseph Abboud, maybe the clothes or the fragrance, tell me what you think about them in the comment. So thanks for watching and see you soon.